If you have trouble defrosting frozen meats in a microwave, which leaves the edges overcooked, but the center remains frozen, turn to LG's defrosting system, programmed to best serve different types and weights of meat. NeoShift Smart Inverter automatically adjusts the power level from 300 to 1200 watts to evenly and thoroughly defrost 93% of the meat. NeoChef, no more pain in defrosting. Enjoy with your family the delicious meal prepared with thoroughly defrosted ingredients.